Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. How are you?
We're good. How about you?
Alhamdulillah,
Good.
alhamdulillah. All right, girls, welcome to our science class. Today is Sunday, 25 of October, 2020. We're studying science. Unit 3, Lesson 3. How do cells work together? Now, we know what are cells and how do they reproduce, how do they divide and multiply, and etc. Today we are going to know how do cells work together. Let's see this picture. Look at the girl and what she's holding.
Flowers.
A flower. Excellent. Excellent. What senses can the girl use to experience the flower? What she's using?
Smelling.
Senses. Okay, for smelling, she's using what? The sense of?
Her nose.
Smell.
Yes, excellent. Smelling with her nose and?
Smell.
Yes, smelling with her nose. What else?
Tasting with her mouth.
Are you going to taste
Looking with her eyes.
flower?
Oh no.
Touching.
Touching the flower, yes. Okay, so she's using her sight to see, and she's using her hand to touch. She's using her nose to smell. Can she taste the flower?
Some flowers are edible, but no.
No, you cannot taste the flower. Okay, all these are made of what? Your eyes, nose, your hand.
Cells.
Cells. Yeah, your senses are made of cells. Okay, so sight to see the colors and shapes of the flower, touch to feel the softness of the petals, smell to smell the fragrance of the flower. All right? Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn the words tissue, organ, organ system, brain, and skin. Wow. Okay, we have so much interesting things in this lesson. So I want your ears with me, your eyes on screen, and your brain very open wide, okay? Now, how cells are organized? Do you think that cells are very organized?
Yes.
Of course, they are very organized. And whenever we are studying such things, we must say, Subhanallah. Yes, we say Subhanallah. Your body has trillions of cells, yet they all work together so that you can eat, play, go to school, and read this page too. Now let's see. I want you to read with me. These are our listen vocabularies, and they are very important. I want you to read. Let's start reading with Amal, please.
You have read that each cell in your body has parts that allow it to do its jobs. Your cells...
Excellent, excellent. Just a minute. So each part of your body allow it to do its job. Is that right? Do you think that we have different cells, different kinds of cells?
Yes.
Because when we
First of all, you learned that we have two kinds of cells, one for growth and one for reproduction. But let me tell you guys, these cells are similar, very similar, but they have different job, and when they divide differently. Today we are going to learn the difference between tissue, organ, and organ system, okay? Because these what makes cells different, all right? When they join together, this is what makes cell different. Now continue, Aman. Your cells must
Your cells must work with each other to cells are organized to work together so your body functions smoothly.
Excellent, Amal. Thank you. What do I mean functions? Your body functions smoothly. Maria, what do I mean by function?
Like
I know.
it works together.
Excellent. It work or make a job or make whatever it takes to do the job, the work. Excellent. So function to make work. Good job. Now read for me, Atalia. Number 2, tissues.
Okay. Cells of the same type that work together to do a certain job make up a tissue. Your body has different kinds of tissues. These include muscle tissues,
Connective tissue.
nerve tissue, and
Epithelial.
epithelial
See?
tissue.
Epithelial. Can you see it over here?
It's kind of a tricky word.
Yes. Say it with me again. Epithelial.
Epithelial.
Yes, epithelial. Again.
Epithelial.
Excellent. Okay, epithelial tissues. And we are going to learn about it too. Thank you. Thank you, Talia. Maria, continue. Organ. What's an organ?
Organ. There's tissues that work together to do a certain job, make up an organ. Your skin is an organ made of all 4 kinds of tissues.
Wow.
Your heart.
Yes, your heart.
Your heart is an organ made mostly out of muscle tissue.
Excellent. So which is smaller, the organ or the tissue? Which is smaller?
The organ?
No.
Which is smaller? Is that you, Mariana? Who said the organ?
No, Jury.
Jury? Okay, I will read it again for you. Guys, when your friends are reading, do you listen to them? Or
Yes.
okay, do you read with them? You have to read with them. Now, if I told you that tissues are cells of what? The same type that work together to do a certain job. Okay, these are tissues, bunch of cells together, but organ is a several tissues that work together. See? So organ is made of tissue. If organ made of tissue and tissue are made of cells, so who is the small here? Is it tissue or organ? Which is smaller?
Organ.
Why?
Organ.
Organ is made of tissue. I need a lot of tissue to make organ.
Oh, I mean tissue.
So who is smaller? Who is small?
Tissue.
Of course, tissue. Okay. If I told you that tissue is made of cells, who is smaller? Tissue or cells?
Cell.
Definitely cells. Of course, cells. So now we know that cells are the smallest. It comes after that what? Tissue. What comes after tissue? Organ. An organ is bigger than a tissue. You need so many tissues to make an organ. Now, let's see. So what's an organ system? Who can read for me?
Me.
Jude, can you read for me, Jude?
From where?
Organ system.
Organs, organs that work together to do a job for the body make up an organ system. Your heart is a part of the
Circulatory system.
circulatory system. The circulatory
System.
system sends blood that contains
Oxygen.
oxygen to all your body parts.
Excellent. So who is the biggest over here?
The organ system?
Of course, the organ system, because it has one organ or too many, maybe 2 or 3. Okay, organs, they do what? Together. They are doing together the job, okay? If they are doing together the job, the heart, the veins, the blood, all together, organ system. Why? Because all together, they are doing one job. Yes, they work together to do one job. What is this job for the circulatory system? Huh?
To send blood with oxygen so we can live.
Yes, to send blood with oxygen to all your body parts. So circulatory system is responsible about blood going through your body. Okay? Now we know. Okay. Now open to page 126. 126,
Miss,
please.
I opened it. Miss,
Excellent girl.
circulatory system.
Excellent girl.
It came for us the word in English.
What? Okay, 126.
Circulatory is a word. It came for us in the English, and Miss Hanan asked us to search for it. So now I know what is the meaning of it.
Of what? Of which word?
Circulatory system.
Nice, excellent. So now you know what is circulatory system. What you are going to tell her?
We learned it with Miss Anur.
No. What are you going to tell her? What does that mean? What did you learn with Miss Anud? Please tell me.
About cells.
The blood.
Okay, it's responsible to transfer blood to the rest of your body, but what is it? It's an organ system. You have to say it's an organ system. What is it? A circulatory system is what?
System.
An organ system. Okay, they are organs that work together to do job for the body. Organs that work together to do a job for the body. Okay, so what is the circulatory system?
Organ system.
Organs work together to do the job for the body.
The body.
Okay, what the circulatory system job is? Sends blood that contains
oxygen to all your body.
Now I want one of you to tell me the full answer. Can you do that?
Okay. Yes.
What is what is a circulatory system? It is first of all, you will say it's an organ system. This is number one. What is it?
It's an organ system that sends blood that contains oxygen to all your body parts.
So, what's an organ system? They are organs work together to do a job for the body. Now, what is the job for the circulatory system? Sends blood that contains oxygen to all your body parts. Now you know how to answer?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now let's do this
To
one.
answer what? The circulation answer thingy?
What is a circulatory system? If someone asks
Oh,
you, yeah, okay, what is a digestive system? Do you know a
I
digestive
know.
system?
Yes, yes, yes.
What is a digestive system?
The things that, the things that like,
No, you should start with
what?
organs. Organ system. Organs work together to do a job for the body part. Now, is the purpose of the digest system, or what is the job or the function that digestive do? Who knows?
I think me.
Now tell me, what is the job?
Maybe it digests the things that comes into your body, like foods and drinks.
Excellent, see? Yes, it's responsible about digesting your food that
I
comes
remember
in.
it's like an acid that burns
Wow,
food or
wow.
something.
Yes,
Yeah.
we are going to learn this semester. Now, let's see. Number the pictures in order from simple list 1 to most complex 4. Which is the simplest and which is the complex? Can you tell me? Now,
I know.
remember if it's a cell, so it's simple. If it's one organ, so it's a little bit. And if it's so much organs together, it's more. And then so you have cell, tissue, organ, and organ system. 4. Which is a cell? Which one is a cell?
The first one.
The first one here, this one from the left side.
Yes.
What about this one? This is 1 or 2? What about this one? 1 or 2? Yes, Jenna.
I think the last one is 1 and the first one is 2.
Okay, the last one is 1.
Yes,
Why?
me
Is it
too.
a
I
cell
thought
or
like this.
tissue? Is it a cell or tissue?
A cell.
It's a cell.
Okay, number 2 is a
Tissue.
excellent, excellent. What about number 3? Is it the brain or the brain system? Is it a brain system?
The brain. The
Excellent,
brain, then
excellent.
the brain system.
Excellent, good girls, good job, good job. So cells, then tissue, then organ system.
What?
Huh? Cells, tissue, organ system.
Can I ask you something about the body?
Yes, is it related?
Kind of.
Please, it has to be related because of our time. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Do you have a question?
No.
Okay, good. Okay. Now let's take a look about the human body in this girl. These are different types of tissues. We have different types of tissues. You have your brain and spine are organs that are made of nerve tissues, okay? These are nerve tissues. Go to the next page.
Control.
Okay, yes, the brain controls. Excellent. Nerve tissues. These organs are part of your nervous system. See? Nervous system. Now, what about muscles or over here? Muscles
They're made
are
of tissue.
connective tissues. Connective tissues. They must be strong. Connective tissues holds tissues and organs together. The tendons in your legs and arms are connective tissues too. They connect muscles to bones. So connective tissues, what do? They connect muscles to
Bones.
bones.
But how is the bones like are like how do I tell you? Like I understand that cells just like form like the skin, not also the bones.
See, can you see the white part over here? This is the
Yes.
muscle. The muscle is red, okay? What
Okay.
connects the muscle to the bone and make it move as you move your
The
hand? When you move
tissue.
the connective tissue.
Tissue.
From it, yeah, they call it connective. Why?
Because it connects with your other parts.
Yes, it connects your muscle with the bone.
Bone.
Okay? Now, your muscle, the same muscle, is what is the kind of your muscle? Let's see.
Cells.
We
They're
call it
kind of
muscles tissue. Huh?
tissue.
Yes.
Muscle tissue.
And it makes up a larger part of your body. Is it the larger part of your body?
Yes.
Guys, your muscles, definitely. What makes your shape or your look? Your muscles. Look at you. Touch your hands, guys. Touch your arms. Touch your legs, your thighs. What makes them? Your muscles. So your muscles are...
They say anything that you can move, it has muscles.
Okay, so yes. So the larger part of your body is what? Made of what? Muscle tissue.
Muscles.
Yes, everyone is here. Everyone can
Yes,
understand.
it is kind of the boss.
What?
The muscles is the boss.
No, the boss over here is your brain.
The nucleus.
You can never move your brain. Now I'm going to show you a small video about it. You can never move your hand or your leg or even your fingers. You can't even blink if your brain not work. Do you know that? So the boss over here is your brain to move and your heart to live. Your heart give you oxygen and blood. This is the circulatory system. So you have so many important parts and organ systems in your body. You can never say this is the most important thing or all together are very important. Can you live with your brain but without your heart?
No, because our heart.
Never. Can you live with your heart but without your brain?
No, because the brain controls our body.
Excellent, because the brain controls your body.
Think.
Okay, now we are going to do it. Just let's finish. What about your skin tissue? What is your skin tissue? Your skin tissue is the largest organ of your body. See? What is the largest part of your body?
The skin cell thingy.
The muscles tissues. But what is the largest organ of your body? Organ. Huh?
The skin. The skin.
The skin. See? I said organ and then tissue. What is the largest tissue?
The muscle tissue.
Excellent. What is the largest organ?
The skin.
Yes. So the skin tissue called epithelial. Epithelial tissues are the skin tissues. They make up the outer
layer
of your skin.
That means they are like the thing that lets your skin form in the your outer body.
And also it covers many of the organs inside your bodies.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Guys, do everyone understand this?
Yes, I do.
Did you underline it with me?
Yes.
Miss, I heard
Excellent.
of the tissue
Excellent.
before. When
Yes.
like they do like surgeries and stuff, they like some of the animals like need big tissue, so they put for them. It's not the tissue that you use, but
Now, what is the information highway? Do you know what is the information highway? What's a highway? We use the highway to reach some place. Is that right?
yes.
Okay, so highway means a place or a way that it will take something from one place to another. Keep your eye on the ball, all right? In just seconds, you can see a ball, run toward it and swing it, a racket. How does the body rely of all the information needed to do this?
Because we understand the game.
Okay, if you want to play a basketball, what are you going to do? I want you to explain to me exactly what are you going to do. First step, next step, second step.
I'm going to bring the ball, then I'm going to just put it and like just let it bounce, and then I'm going to take it and put it in the basket.
Thank you, Tala. Good explanation. Judy, how do you think that your body knew how to do all that?
From our brain?
Excellent, from your brain. Your brain maybe sends what?
No.
What did your brain send, dear Judy? An order?
The idea?
Yes, the idea or the order. Let's say your body, your brain send the order. طيب, do you think your body uses small cars to deliver the orders, or maybe it uses application? Does it use cars or application?
None.
Are you sure? Maybe drive-through.
The car.
Your brain uses a car?
No, like we use the car. So
Really?
we could, like,
Your brain uses a car to deliver the order to your hand to move?
No. No.
Okay, so
what
what?
was the question?
The question was how your brain sent orders to your organs to work. How did the brain send the order to your hand to bounce the ball?
Because maybe we saw like someone play with it with the ball, or
Okay.
maybe like.
Now take a look at this. Yes, Tyler, look at this boy. First of all, number one is what? The body's eyes. The boy's eyes. Eyes. First of all, the sense of the sight, okay? The eyes sense the ball coming toward him, okay? The boy saw the ball with his own eyes, okay? When he saw it with his eyes, the brain processed this information. When the brain processed this information, it messaged the brain to travel down the spinal cord. Where is the spinal cord? Here is the
behind her back.
Yes, this is the spinal cord. Can you see my red pointer?
Yes.
Okay, this is the spinal cord. So number one is the eye. The eye will take the message. It will see. After it will see, the brain will process. The brain will think about it. Oh, the ball's coming. The ball's coming. What should I do? What should I do? Then it will send the message through what? This is the highway.
Spinal
cord. This is the spinal cord. The spinal cord is the highway. It delivers messages to all of your body. Can you see a lot of ways going out of the spinal cord? So the message from the brain travel down the spinal cord, and then it will reach what? The leg or the hand?
The leg, the hand, the hand.
Why the hand?
Because he's catching the thing,
Thank you, Tala. Thank you, Tala. Let's ask Feiruz. Feiruz, why the hand? Why do you think the hand?
Because it's the
Because it wants to hit back the ball. How you are going to hit back the ball? With your legs or with your hand? If you are going to use your hand, so the message will be delivered to your hand. But what's in your hand? Nerves. We call it nerves. Nerves in his arms deliver the message from his brain to swing the racket. See? So first of all, the message will be sent from the brain through what? The highway. What is the highway?
The spinal cord. It's
excellent.
So
everyone together, please, guys.
Our whole body.
Guys, everyone together. I don't want only Tala to participate with me. Everyone. I want to hear Jana, Maria, Juri, Amal, Jude, Feiruz, Mariana, Judy, everyone. Now, what is it? This one in the middle.
Spinal cord.
Excellent. Spinal cord. Okay, spinal cord. Who moves inside the spinal cord from the brain to the spinal cord to your parts of body? Nerves.
nerves.
So, can I call it a nerve system?
Yes.
Yes.
Excellent. Yes, because there are so much organs are working together. First of all, you will see it with your eyes, then your brain will process the how to do it or how to make it, then the information will use the nerve system to go through the spinal cord and deliver the message to the part of your body to work. Okay, guys, I'm really sorry خلاص we our time is up and we finished this lesson. Okay, I would like to ask you if you want to stay 2 minutes more. I'll give you a video to watch.